Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction, the SP 500 index fund, and the DXY. I'm sorry for my voice, my friend, because I'm ill, but I don't want to leave you. Even like that, I came to make for you a video. So if you are new, you watching us, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, and smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. So let's start our analysis of today, my friend. So as you see, the Bitcoin, what it done for us yesterday, he gave us that green candle, then today he came back with that red candle, and that's what I told you in the previous videos. I told you that one is just a trap. There is nothing going up, and I told you because in Monday, and if you've been for long in the market and you've been trading for long in the market, you know in Monday always the market do the reverse what it's been doing all the week. As you see it, you can do it even like that every time he reverse the market, because that just market makers, that's what they do. They pushing the price up for them to sell in a nice point for the market to fall down again, and that's what I told you before. Because in the weekly, my friend, there is two big engulfing candles like that, and they break the 200 moving average, and I told you also we are going down to 12k. So make a close eye at those things. Here in the daily, the price, you see what it done. It kept upward, now he fall down. So but now he's showing to you a small rejection here, but not that big. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Let's see our chart, what for the picture to be more clear. Here in our chart, as you see, that level also drawing before here, what it react to at the market, it came to it, then it bounced up, now it's going back to touch it. Now let's see if that level here we got of 17k, because that one is a supply and demand zone, if it's going to hold. If it's not, it's going here to that level of 17,207. So that's my view to it. Then after that, we're going to see if the lower of that wage here in the daily, if it's going to hold or not. If it's not, you are going to go to 12k. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, what did I told you yesterday? I told you here we got a trend line, and it's still respected. I think it's going to go lower here, but as I show you before, I told you you got here a trend line like that, and make a close eye at that trend line if it's going to be broke or not, because when it's going to be broke, it's going to fall down here. And if you want to be update us every day, my friend, we put 2 videos, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash the like button to help us to growing up more that channel. If you be a subscriber with us, smash the like button, and you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. In Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube, because YouTube they're reducing the reach, because YouTube they want you to pay money for the reach. Telegram, there is no money, no nothing. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, it's still here in his place. It hasn't came down to the oversold area. It hasn't become red, as I tell it to you before. So it's still for it more room to downside, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated. Everything is very simple and easy. So now let's go into the SP 500 index fund to see what the stock market doing today, because I think it's going to fall down, and that way as we analyzing only the SP 500, because the SP 500 is the most stronger 500 companies in the US market or US stock market. So if you want to invest in US stock market, the first thing majority of investors they investing in is the SP 500, because it's a diversified stock or a diversified index, and it's better than you doing analysis on those things. So let's go into see what it's doing for the picture to be more clear to you. And I'm sorry for my voice, guys. Here, that one, what I told you before, I told you, it always give you here like that a cup and handle, then it falling down like here, as you see it here like that, then he fall down. And for him to go up, he always give you here a triple bottom like that, like here, as you see it, my friend. Now the price action, it's working with the SP 500. So even now, you need to wait until a triple bottom came like that for the SP 500 to go up. As I tell it to you before, and also we make our analysis, and where we said it's going to go, we said it's going to go till down here. Why? It's very simple, my friend. We make it like that. As you see, also we got here that wage, that one, and also we said it's going to fall down till here, till 31.89. It's still more downside, my friend, more downside for the US stock market. US stock market, it's headed now for a big crash. I told you, let's wait in the 1st of September to see the ISM manufacturing, what is going to tell us. If it came negative, and I think it's going to come negative, you're going to see more falling down, my friend. You're going to see more falling down. Remember my word, because the US market, it doesn't doing that well, or it doesn't doing that good, and the world economic, I tell it to you before, the war in Russia and Ukraine hasn't stopped. Also, we're entering now in the winter, and the energy and the gas, petrol, all of those things, they are going to get high. And the US dollar, it's still getting more higher. And the Fed, it's still putting interest rates. So what you thinking? What is going to happen? Everything is going to fall down. That's the reality. That what is it in front of us? Also, we're going now to a big recession. That's the reality about economic now. There is no one can tell you, oh, also we are not in recession, blah, 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 blah. All those things is fakes. Because those politicians, they tell you what they want you to hear. They don't tell you the truth. Majority of them, they lie at us. So, everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you here. Our indicator, as you see it, it just came out from here, from the over bought area, my friend, and it's still going down to the oversold area. That's what me I told you. US market is headed now for a crash, and the SP 500 index fund is headed now for a crash. So get ready. Even the Bitcoin is going to head now for a crash. Get ready for everything, guys. So I think that's it for the SP 500. Let's go in now to the DXY to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. And for the people that trade in the Forex or Bitcoin, they know what the DXY or US dollar doing. Let's go in there and see what's happening today. Here we are in the DXY. And another thing, before we even continue here our analysis, you watching me now, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification and smash that like button, so every time when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. You done it. Let's continue, my friend. As you see that one, the DXY, what me I told you before, I told you we got here a level, and that level it's still till now price struggling here. He couldn't break it high, he couldn't break it low. So here, every time the price came there, he's showing there a rejection. And I tell it to you in the start of the week, if you remember what me I told you, being here, I told you it's going to stay ranging here till the news came. So the news is going to come the 1st of September. Remember it. You can watch the coming news, which is going to come this week in our weekly Forex forecasting. The first chapter is it talking about the coming news for this week. Go to it. You're going to know all the coming news or all the major coming news this week, my friend. Go to that video and watch it. So now what is it? Our view is going to stay here till the news came. When it's going to come the news, it's going to go more higher, my friend. Remember those things, nothing hard, nothing fancy. Picture is very clear. It might now is going to show you, it's going to make a small rejection or something, but that just lies. DXY is going to go more higher, or US dollar is going to go more higher. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, what did I told you yesterday? If you remember what me I told you yesterday, I told you got here that level. I told you here, it show you the level actually is not there, is here. Let's see it. I told you got here that level here, as we drawing before. Here, what the price done, it break it for you. He make like that, a false breakout, then he came back here. Now today, he give you here a big engulfing candle, but till now there is no going up, my friend. If you trade in the Forex or something, till now, you need to wait in to break for you that last high here. When it's going to break it for you, that's the right time for it to go more higher than this. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. our indicator, my friend, it's showing us here the US dollar is going to fall down. That's what it's showing me. So we don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to update you when the daily candle finishes, and we're going to see, because till now there is no price action here very clear to give us. There is only here, he tried to give us here a flag like that, or a triangle like that, or a wedge, but till now there is nothing confirmed yet if it's going to go higher or it's going to drop. So when the daily candle finishes, my friend, I'm going to come to you and update you. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, because every day we put in 2 videos. So like that, you're going to be notified every time. Now let's go back to the Bitcoin and see what the Bitcoin telling us in the 4 hours. So let's go into the Bitcoin chart to analyze for you the cryptocurrency market, my friend. Here in the cryptocurrency market, my friend, what we said before, we said here we got a trend line like that, and we said lower here we got a wedge like that. What the market done for you, and I got all those things in my chart, but now me take them off for the picture to be more clear to you watching me now. The market done yesterday, he came tell he touching the top of the trend. Now he came back down, very powerful. Look that power here in the volume, guys. It's getting more high than the previous one. So that when it's just a trap for those people, don't sell lower here and to sell more high. You know what I'm saying or no? Here, look at the volume here. Here, that big fall down. The volume is a little bit compared to today. And let's see it in the chart now for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it here in the chart, that the triangle of us, you see what the market done here yesterday. He gave us that inside bar, also being excited. We said maybe it's going to go higher, but we said we need to make a close eye at that upper of that trend here. What the market done for you there? He came, he gave you here a pin bar, as you see it. Then look what it done to you. Ooh, very powerful drop down. Now the market here, what it giving you here in that zone, here, that candle. By the way, that candle, it's left for 2 hours 49 minutes. So when that video is going to be live, that is going to live for 30 minutes or something. As you see it, that candle, it's showing indecision candle. That's what also we call it, is an indecision candle. Let's see when it's going to finish. Now it's getting more lower, as you see it. So now you need to make a close eye here at that zone here. That one lower here, you need to make a close eye at it. What the market is going to do. But to me personally, I think it's going to drop more. It's going to come lower here, and the candle is going to close lower like that, and it's going to push more lower. That's my view personally. But as I tell it to you, when the daily candle finishes, we're going to come back to you and show you more. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, he try here to go out here, but we're still here at the oversold area. So till now, I think we're still here. But there is a move, it's going to come upward, because it can't stay forever at the oversold area. It's going to go upward to go to the overbought. So you need to make a close eye at those things. As I tell it to you, also we put in 2 videos a day. So if you want it, you can join us and benefiting from all those things. It's very simple and easy. A red button down, click at it to be subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. You're going to receive all our latest updates. You done it. Let's continue. Let's see our other indicator, what it's telling us. The one, as you see it, what did I told you yesterday? I told you we got here, that level here in the middle. It's need the one to break it. What it did for you, and make close eye at those things. Let me make it bigger for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, look at it. Yes, here he give you here a divergence. Like that. But what it done here at that level, and that level me by the way, that my special settings. If you want it, you want to use the setting like me, down below in the first comment there is our Bitcoin investing course, that where we show you how to using that indicator. By the way, that's not our case. As you see it, what it done here, I told you I'm going to say it's going to move upward when it's going to break for me that one, and to come up here. But what it done, it just came here, then it falling. So here, when we are lower here, we are in the control of the sellers or the bears. When we are here, we are in the control of the buyers and the bulls. Remember those things, my friend, very well. Everything is too clear. Let's go back to the chart. Now let's go in to 30 minutes to show you more what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 30-minute BTC prediction. As you see here picture very clear. Let me show you something here. What you're looking here. Yesterday being here. Price what it done here. It came up till the 200 moving average here. But look here. Look the beauty of our technical analysis, my friend. What it done for you here. Here, like that. What that one? That one is a cup and handle, my friend. That the hand and that the cup. Here, he break it for you, my friend. So you calculating from here to here. He bringing for you the target exactly. You see it or no? Even in smaller time frames, technical analysis or price action, it's working, my friend. That's what me I told you every time. Now let's see in the present what the price telling us now. What the price telling you now. They try to come here, buyers, but look at them here down in the volume. And you looking very clear. Even that candle here, that green one, it can bigger, but the volume of it is very small. But look here at the reds, my friend. Look at them. See the reds here and the reds here. What that telling you? It's telling you the sellers, they are in power. That's what me have been telling you. Or the bears, they are in power. And we are in a bear market now. And we are headed now to a crash. That's what me have been telling you. And here, look at that one. Look here at the sellers. You see what me I'm telling you? They're pushing down to break that lower. But here, it's a war. As you see it now. At that candle, it's left for 12 minutes. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, our other indicator, as you see it become here at the oversold area. Here it went up till here. You take profit. By the way, that indicator, if you want to get it, you just go to one video how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. You're going to find it in the description of that video. Go and download it and install it in your trading view. Even in that video show you how to done all those things. So let's continue. Here what you see in here in our indicator, it's entering here at the oversold area. So if you are a day trader or a scalper, you can enter now. Stop lose depending on your money management, but I think you need to make it here at 18k, because here in 30 minutes it's showing you is going to go higher. That's what it's showing here in 30 minutes. You are at the oversold area, and me I tell it to you before, always at the oversold area, three things you need to look at them. Three things. That one, to be here at the oversold area, you to become in a supply and demand level, and the market or the price or Bitcoin price, it need to give you a price action, indicate the market is going to reverse or is going to change. Till now there is no price action, so there is no entry. Remember those things. Every time I tell it to you, you need to remember it. Like here, last time when we been here at the oversold area, what the market been doing here? There is no price action. What is the price action? Here, give you here a head and shoulder. Very small, but it give you there a head and shoulder. When it's breaking for you the top here, what it done? It went up till here, till the overbought area. So that's the right time for you to take profit. Here, when you are at the overbought area, here, what the market telling you? Market here give you a price action. As you see, the cup and handle. When it's breaking, you enter, because that is a level. Everything in front of you, nothing hard, nothing complicated. You don't need to buy courses by $1,000 or something, or to buy signals by $50 or something. All those things is very simple. The same things we also using, that's what they're using. If you want to learn it, as I tell it to you, our technical analysis course, by the way, the course is not even expensive. It's only $13. Is the cup of a price coffee, but it's up to you. If you want to learn, if you doesn't want to learn, it's up to you. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you in the daily candle finish it, and I'm sorry for my voice, and please smash the like button to help us, please. So bye for now, my friend.